So, do you want to make more connection with your guitar to be able to get what you have inside out easier, what you're hearing in your head? I'm going to share something today that I'm working on personally after 25 plus years as a guitar player that's helping me with this. So let me go get it. The concept, you know how when you learn the different scale patterns, right? You learn how to play pentatonic in different positions, let's say, or the diatonic scales. So I'm using the diatonic scales and I'm just shifting them into different positions. However, in the different positions, I'm trying to find the main melody that I'm using, the same melody. So let's check it out, right? I'm going to use something that nobody can say they own, like say the Star Spangled Banner, the beginning of the melody. I'm just going to sound it out, all right? I don't have this rehearsed or nothing like that. Let's just sound it out. I happen to remember that part. It's like this. That's not it, right? There you go. It's like basically an F major chord. So I'm trying to find what shape am I actually in. So I'm just going to move over here and find it here. So I'm going to move over to the next position where I actually know where I am. I know where I am now, actually. Okay, cool. So I'm going to move down to the next shape. I'm not teaching how to find the shapes in this video. I'm just showing the concept. So where's that note? So on the same string over here. So like the point what I'm trying to make here is that this is a drill that I'm going to be personally using to break down the barrier of the connection between what I'm hearing in my head, what I'm feeling, and the instrument. Let me tell you something. When I'm at my best as a player is when I forget that I'm even holding this thing right here. This is what do you call it? You call it an instrument, right? An instrument is something that you use to achieve a purpose. So it's like a tool. I don't want to really think about the tool. I don't want the tool to be my primary focus. I want to be the job that I'm trying to get done be my primary purpose, if that makes sense. So let's mess around and try to find it in different places. So we got this. If I move it to this position. Let's try to go the other way. So if I know my shapes, that's the next shape over. So I have a video on this, by the way, that I've done, I don't know, like maybe more than 5 years ago now, where I talk about the different diatonics and how to shift positions and try and play in two positions at the same time. Those videos I would recommend if you want to try to find the shapes. But anyway, so let's find it over here. Just orienting myself where the notes are. So the goal would be to be able to do it more fluently, find the pattern, or really find the sound inside of the pattern. And as I move from position to position, to not get lost, to be able to sound out the notes no matter what position I'm in. That's the goal. Have a nice day.